welcome back to another video. I'm currently in the war with my friend Dusky Penguin. Say hi, Dusky Penguin.
Hello.
Oh god, I see him. He's over there. Quickly shoot him.
Uh-oh.
I had to reload. Where is he? Oh no, I think I see him.
Oh.
He's shooting me. Come back here, Dusky Penguin. Got him. Oh, I didn't hit, fortunately. Let's throw Let's throw a grenade. Oh, I didn't hit him, unfortunately. My aim's quite bad today. Oh, perfect hit! Where is he? I see him. Boom! I'm going to his trench. Yes, I can. Oh no, I missed. Oh no! He's shooting back! Oh no! Ah! Explosion! I'm low on hearts now. Oh no, the smoke effect. Where'd he go? Oh no, oh no. Where are you? Oh, he's up there! Shoot him! Oh, I need to run away. He's coming for me. Just like I'm coming for you!
Oh, I'm out of the run.
No! He fell into a landmine. Oh, how unfortunate. It's a good thing that I didn't. Never mind, I guess. I got hit by a landmine. Oh, he's right there! Oh no! Ah! Well, as you can see, today's tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to make landmines and custom grenade explosions in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So with that, let's go on the tutorial.
Smoke not in.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna get yourself a command block. So /s command _ block like that. And we're gonna do the landmine tutorial first. So we're gonna do repeating, unconditional, always active. I'm gonna type this command: execute at a if block -1 moss _ block run summon ender _ crystal. This is essentially going to make it so that whenever the game detects that somebody is one block above a moss block, which is going to be a landmine in this case, it's going to summon an end crystal at that position exactly. So next command, and this is going to make it so that when you step on the moss block, which is our landmine, it's going to change it from moss to the regular grass, so it blends in a bit more and it's a bit more satisfying. So we're going to do conditional, always active, and we're going to do execute at a if block -1 moss _ block run set block -1 grass _ block. So once again, this is going to make it so that once the game detects that someone's on top of a moss block, it's just going to replace it with a grass block. Then our final command, which is the most important one, this is going to be our thing to make it explode. I'm going to do execute at a if block -1 Now I'm going to do grass _ block because that's what we made it to change before. Grass _ block run summon snowball. And this says you're going to make it so that whenever the game detects someone's like on top of the grass now, it's going to summon a snowball there, which is going to interact with the ender crystal and essentially going to make it. Alright, we're back, and now we're going to make our tutorial for the grenade. So first we're going to do, once again, get command block. I'm going to make it to repeating, always active. We're going to do execute at e type square bracket type equals snowball unless block -1 air run summon ender _ crystal, which is essentially going to summon an ender crystal whenever a snowball impacts with something that is in the air. And I've actually done the exact same thing for my first ever tutorial on this channel, which you should go definitely watch out. So we're going to show you that real quickly. Get a snowball, I'm going to throw it, see, cool explosion, and we're going to test out the moss. I'm going to place it on the moss block, see. explosion. So yeah, the video, and huge thanks to my friend over here, DuskyPenguin378. He's the one that built this awesome map that I use for the showcase. And with that, that's the end of the video. Go subscribe to my channel, and yeah, with that, goodbye.